Yeah, in Xhosa language we have three clicking sounds, which makes this language a bit of a different Guni language, because Zulu is a bit similar to Xhosa, Swati and Ndebele, but Xhosa has got these three clicking sounds. The first one is C, so the pronunciation of C is ta ci ci co cu, ta ci ci co cu. Can you do that? Yes, and then
like Chinese.
the second is X. The pronunciation is ta ci ci co cu, ta ci ci co cu.
I can't do it when I'm saying it at the same time, is it?
Yeah, that's difficult.
Okay. Yeah.
And then the last one is the Q. Ta ci ci co cu, ta ci ci co cu. That you are a very excellent student. And then let me do the sentences. I'm not going to make it hard for you to repeat them, but that will be the clicking sentences. Starting with the C1. Taking or take that on tenga. The Q1 so the meanings taking close the door tightly so that no air could penetrate. The X1, the old man had an appointment with his friend. His friend did not turn up. He panicked, became very angry and moved to another place. The Q1, a squirrel went up the top of the hill, decided to roll back to the bottom.